Hi guys, welcome. Today we're going to be doing unboxing of all these items that I ordered online. Okay, so I was on my own, oh, and this beautiful big head here. See this big head, this beautiful big head here. She introduced me to this online app or website where she does her online shopping. And I said, okay, let me just go and take a look. As I entered there, my brother, my sister, I became addicted from one to two to three. And hubby was like, okay, let's just spoil ourselves a little now. This life is just that once. Let's spoil ourselves a little. And once I go there, my hands will just keep touching from one fine one to another fine one and another fine one. And that's how I arrived at this place right now. So today, I want you guys to join me as I unbox these items, these wears, clothes and shoes that I ordered online. Okay. So I want you guys to witness it with me here. Let's start with this one. Okay, let's see what we have here. All right. The addiction is real. Oh. Like seriously, they have so many nice things. The good thing I love about them is that like whatever you see online, when you order it is exactly what you're getting. Only few online stores, actually give you what you order. So that's why I just got addicted to them. Like seriously, serious addiction. All right. What does this mean? So this means that there's gonna be lots of what I ordered versus what I got. So, so stay good. All right. Don't miss out on those beautiful what I ordered versus what I got videos because I'm going to be bringing a lot your way, guys. A lot your way. Okay. So let's see what is in here. This is a lot. This is a lot. Okay. Let's see. This looks like lots of beautiful things. Lots of beautiful things. Let me not go and cut this clothes. So, okay, amazing. So this one, oh, I know what this one is. This is a beautiful dress for my baby girl, Kaima. Like a beautiful dress. So don't worry, I don't want to show you what it is until you see the what I ordered versus what I got. Okay, so this is one of them. I think this is another beautiful dress for her as well. Because I remember, yes. All right, what is in here? Oh, this is one of the shoes that I ordered. Should I show you? guys, they have beautiful things. Just see. Take a peek. This is beautiful. Like, I saw it online and it came out and I love it. And another thing I love, guys, apart from me getting exactly what I ordered, another thing I love is the quality. Another thing I love is that I have a big leg, guys. So I'm able to get my size. If you have a big leg, you'll understand what I'm talking about. I have a big leg, and you know that joy of being able to get your size is just out of this world. Just out of this world. Okay? So that's one thing I love about them. You see, my size. Guys, is this not beautiful? Amazing. So now I've shown you one now. I've shown you one now. All right. So there's a lot to unbox. All right. So let me just, I can't be opening all of them because the video is going to be so long if I start opening all of them. So just watch out for my what I ordered versus what I got. Okay. And this is another one. Oh, I remember this. Okay, this is a bedspread actually. They have a beautiful bed set. Yes. Okay. This is another one. Oh my goodness, I love this one. Let me show you guys. This is another one that I saw. Oh my god, this is beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys. But my New Year resolution is that I'm not going to go on that website for a long time. Otherwise, all my money will finish shopping. Okay. This looks like a bedspread as well. Yes. Okay. So let's open this. Where do we start from? Okay. Let's start from this. Let's see what we have here. Okay. A lot, guys. A lot. And I'm really excited. You know when you are excited because anything you order, you get exactly what you ordered for? You know, that's the excitement. Like, seriously. Now, these are tops. These are two pieces. Like, amazing. Amazing, guys. Another one. Okay. Another one. I love the packaging too. It's just easy. You just need to like unzip it and bring out whatever you ordered. You know, nice. Like, ah, God. You know, I didn't even know I ordered so much like this until they started delivering. I was like, God, I ordered this much? Right? I didn't even know that. Like, amazing. This was actually one of the first ones that I ordered. The dinnerware, another dinnerware, not the black one that you guys saw and you guys said was very beautiful. This is another one, two-piece. Okay, so let's start from here. It's just going to be a quick unboxing, and then later on, I'm going to do the testing for you guys to see what it looks like on me. Okay, let me know if you want to see what it looks like on Kaima as well, or on Cheesy or my hubby. Let me know if you want to see what it looks like. Okay. All right. Oh, these are shoes for everybody. I love this. Like, that's shoes for everybody. Yeah, nice. It's for everybody. Looking beautiful. Like, I love it. Love, 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 love it. Nice. Okay. What else? Okay. So we have this one. Let's open this and see what is in here. Right now, Canada Post is on strike right now in Canada. So they're using DHL right now. Before, they usually use Canada Post, but they're using DHL. So fast. This is another one. This is a two-piece from me. Me, myself, and I. Don't be jealous, okay? Don't be. You know, sometimes you just need to pamper yourself. Enough of this. You just need to pamper yourself a little after all the hard work and everything. Pamper yourself. This money, when they keep them, they go. Pamper yourself small, I beg. This is another one. A two-piece. I think this is for Kamsi. It's a two-piece, okay? This one is a two-piece. All right. And which one is it? Okay, I think this is a nightwear. I got a nightwear as well from them. Beautiful nightwear that I saw. Another, I think this is another nightwear. What is here? Oh, this is another shoe. Ooh, I love this one. You know what I love about this one? I love the fact that it has this ankle rope, right? And you can just on your leg. And then because I'm really tall, I really don't like a long heel, so very comfy and also very classy. You know, guys, you will not understand the feeling. Like when you have big legs, the feeling of being able to find your size, you won't understand that feeling. Okay? Only people who have big legs like me will understand. You know, those days when I was a child, when it was time to shop for Christmas things, I remember I would always go around the market for hours just looking for my footwear. So you can imagine the relief, okay, of easily finding my shoe size. So it's really very exciting. Okay, and another one here. Another one, I think this is a nightwear. Another one here. And then this one, oh, I remember this one, yellow. Yeah, I can't wait to try this one, guys. You guys will love it. Look out for this, the yellow one, two-piece. You will love it. It's plenty. I'm just feeling like Ola of Lagos right now. You will love it. It's plenty. That guy is a good marketer. He's a good marketer. Okay, this is another one. This is another one. That looks really good. Oh, that's a nightwear. I remember this one. I remember that's a nightwear. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Another two-piece. Okay, so this is another one. Like, it's a lot. This is another one. I can't wait to try it out, guys, so that you guys can tell me what it looks like. So watch out for what you ordered versus what you got. This is another one. A lot, guys, a lot. Another one here. Another one. This one for girls. Only girls will understand. When you're wearing all the handless clothes, you use this one. Really nice. Okay, so this one. And this. I got this one, two of this. Okay, only my fellow girls will understand this one. All right, and this, and finally this one. Let me know. In fact, let me know, guys, if you want me to do the what I got versus what I ordered. Okay, let me know if you've been enjoying my videos. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so that I will do more videos for you. I will try out all of them so you can see what they all look like. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on my next one. Bye.